decoration. It's beautiful.
We are in Nonthaburi market, which is right outside Bangkok. Let's go. Thai shallots are much smaller than
They're
your
tiny.
shallot, but it's twice as strong. These are 1,000-year-old eggs. This is definitely an acquired taste.
Betel nut.
Leaves, mint, lemon, basil. Raw tamarind. It's still sour.
Oh, wow.
I know. Oh, God. This is the Thai mackerel, so it's fried and you eat it with chili dip and rice. This is sticky rice, sweet. We had a long afternoon walking in the market and we bought all this stuff. Thai food is a mixture of flavor, taste, and how to balance everything out. When you order the food, it's family style. So everything comes all at once except for dessert. First of all, the spoon goes into your mouth,
Okay.
not the fork. You know why? Because everything is already cut up and everything has sauces and you have to work it into the noodles or into the rice so that it doesn't drip over your fork. This is the long bean that we bought.
Yes.
Okay? So you put a little bit of this on there and then you take a spoon and a fork and work it into your, right, a little bit. Now, and you mix it in your mouth. Take a little bit of this in here for you, okay? Then I'm going to take some catfish, put it in here for you. And this is sweet and salty and crunchy. Put it on there and you eat it with rice. Bitter, sweet,
Flowery,
floury. It's like,
spicy.
yeah. Good.
Wow.
And the sweetness cut the spiciness. This is a fried sun-dried fish. You remember the mango, the sour mango that we
Yes.
bought?
There
no.
were smaller ones.
Yeah, there were smaller ones. They shred them and they make a salsa out of it. Just eat it that way. I'll have some too.
Oh, this is delicious.
I know this is very, very, very good.
This is delicious.
You know what it is, right?
Yes.
Now, mango and sticky rice. The mango in the olden days used to be smaller and a little bit more sour. Now we have this nam dok mai, which is another kind of mango. It's very sweet. So we try not to make the sticky rice too sweet. And it must not be sweet. It has to be slightly salty because this thing is sweet and sour
But
already.
it's very gently salted.
Yes.
It's not offensive.
No.
Ah,
Keep on eating it.
no problem.
This is shaved ice, and this is made from rice kernel. One is a rice kernel that has been toasted into a rice crispy. This one is pounded. It's called khao tok. Tok means to pound. And then until it's flattened, and then it's toasted. And then they put a coconut milk, palm sugar, and salt in the bottom. You see, which one do you like best?
Oh, come on. Do I have to make a choice?
No, you can eat both.
It's not like I need to marry one of them.
No,
Yeah.
you can eat both.
Yes, good.
You see? Cheers.
Rich in liquids.